In this video, you will learn how to fix Find My iPhone grayed out problem on iPhone. Many users face this issue where they cannot turn off Find My iPhone because the option is not clickable. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, I have some easy steps to help you solve it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once there, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Next, tap on Location Services. Here, check if the toggle next to Location Services is enabled. If it's off, toggle it on and see if this resolves your issue with Find My iPhone being grayed out. If enabling Location Services didn't fix the problem or if it's grayed out as well, go back into Settings and select Screen Time. Scroll down within Screen Time and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, select Location Services. Then ensure that changes are allowed by selecting Allow Changes. Once done, navigate back and tap on Passcode and Face ID. Then select Allow. After making these changes, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often help in resolving minor glitches. If after restarting your device you still find that Find My iPhone is grayed out, head back into Settings, scroll down once more, and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to access these settings. Now scroll down until you find Stolen Device Protection and toggle off the switch next to it. After doing so, check if this action has fixed your Find My iPhone issue. If all else fails and the option remains grayed out, try signing out of your Apple ID and then signing back in. To do this, open Settings. Tap on your name at the top. Scroll down and select Sign Out. Follow prompts to complete sign out. Once signed out, sign back in using your Apple ID credentials. This step can refresh account settings, which might resolve any lingering issues with Find My iPhone. And there you have it. These steps should help fix the grayed out Find My iPhone issue effectively. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.